Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy mushroom tomato soup. This comforting recipe is perfect for any day of the week, requiring minimal effort but delivering maximum flavor. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to blending it into a creamy, satisfying meal. Get ready to create a warm and inviting dish that everyone will love in just a few simple steps. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fresh produce. First, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing and then slicing 8 ounces of your preferred mushrooms, such as cremini or button. Next, dice 1 medium-sized onion and finely mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Finally, roughly chop approximately 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes. These simple preparation steps are crucial for building the rich flavors of our soup. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant about 3 minutes. Then, toss in the sliced mushrooms and cook until they are tender and lightly browned. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried basil. Let it simmer gently for 20 minutes. Finally, it's time to transform our simmered ingredients into a creamy soup. Carefully transfer the hot soup mixture to a blender, working in batches if necessary. Blend until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. You can make it as silky or as chunky as you prefer. Return the blended soup to the pot and heat gently for a few minutes. Serve warm, garnished with fresh basil, a dollop of sour cream, or a drizzle of olive oil for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.